I feel very happy today. I feel very happy today. Work is going very well. Work is going very well. I am tired of working. I am tired of working. The meeting was very long. The meeting was very long. I feel very stressed now. I feel very stressed now. I need a short break. I need a short break. My boss is very kind. My boss is very kind. I am excited for today. I am excited for today. The team is very helpful. The team is very helpful. I feel calm at work. I feel calm at work. This task is quite hard. This task is quite hard. I enjoy my new job. I enjoy my new job. The office is very busy. The office is very busy. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Work is sometimes very boring. Work is sometimes very boring. I am feeling very creative. I am feeling very creative. My schedule is very full. My schedule is very full. I am worried about deadlines. I am worried about deadlines. I feel confident at work. I feel confident at work. Coffee makes me feel awake. Coffee makes me feel awake. I love my desk space. I love my desk space. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. I feel ready to start. I feel ready to start. The project is almost done. The project is almost done. I am happy to help. I am happy to help.